Welcome to Jazz Piano Daily. This is number 100. Today we're going to do part 4 of our slow, or I should say our easy blues shuffle. Let's take a look at what that looks like and sounds like. It's this part. Or as written. I'm going to show you how to throw that grace note in there. All right, so up to this point, we've done the B flat to the E flat, then B flat for 2 measures, then E flat 7 for 2 measures, and now we're back to the 1 chord, B flat 7, again for 2 measures. Typical blues form. All right, so let me break this down for you so that you can see what's going on. Left hand is pretty simple, root 5, root 6, just like we've been doing up to this point, nothing fancy. The right hand. So the best way of thinking about the right hand is, what's going on theoretically here is we're coming down from that B flat in thirds, okay? And we're really kind of coming down and utilizing that B flat mixolydian scale. If you don't know that scale, don't worry about it, it's okay, but that would be our B flat mixolydian scale, okay, which is common to play over dominant 7th chords. So I'm playing the 13th and the root, the 5th and the 7th, the 4th and the 13th, and then the 3rd and the 5th. And I'm alternating it with this other note down here. So I'm going down to the D, to the C, to the B flat, and I stick on the B flat. I could go all the way down to the A flat if I wanted to. All right, kind of a cool sound there to go to the flat 7, but I just kept it on the B flat. So fingering wise, I would probably do 2 and 4, 2 and 4, then I would do 3 and 5, and then 2 and 4. And then this part right here is where we can add in that grace note, okay? 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And what I think is a great idea is play this after you do that lick. So do this, right? And then go right into that. So it sounds like this. Then try playing the whole thing. Whoops. And remember, you have to move deeper into the key bed, right? Otherwise, you're going to end up doing that, right? So move that thumb deeper in. Okay? Watch my elbow. You'll see how my elbow will move. So you see how I moved in a little bit? Right, just moving deeper in the key bed. Or to the 7th. You get to decide which one you want to play. All right, let's do the entire thing now. Now we're moving on to 2 pages, but let's do this so we can just enough see it. Here we go. Right, so kind of a cool sound, right? And it's not that difficult to learn. If you give yourself some time, you'll be able to get this down, right? So be patient with yourself. Like I said, if it takes more than a day, don't worry about it. I'm going to tell you that most students it's going to take them probably about a week to get down most of this, maybe even 2 weeks, right? So it really depends on how much you practice and your current skill set, but just remain patient with yourself. I'll see you in the next lesson. To get the first 45 pages of music for free, just go back to jazzpianodaily.com. If you liked the video, please be sure to click the like button and also subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. To watch the rest of the lessons in this series, just click on the playlist to the right of this arrow. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.